How to apply coupon code on Temu. Now, first things first, before you go ahead and access your Temu application, just simply head straight where you downloaded the application, maybe Google Play Store or any app store you use on your device. This is just to make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the app so you will not encounter any glitches, errors, and any inconvenient ways. Now, let's go straight to the Temu app and make sure to log in into your account. The first thing you want to do is, of course, choose any product you want to add to your cart. So, say for example, this one, add this into your cart, and then once you already added it, just simply view your cart. Now go to checkout page, and then once you're here, scroll down just a little bit till you find the option here that says apply coupon code. Tap on that, and this is basically where you will fill out the form using your active promo code or coupon code. And that's it. That is how you redeem code on Temu.